how to convert APK files to IPA files. I'm gonna be straight to the point and I'm gonna be totally honest with you. You cannot do it. You cannot convert APK files to IPA files. However, there are tons and tons of videos on the internet, on YouTube, which claims they can do it. You can try those, but at the end they are either wasting your time or they are just scamming you and stealing your information. So trying to convert APK files to IPA files is basically trying to convert an Android device, okay, just Android device, to an iPhone or an iOS device. Is that possible? Yes, it's possible, but can you do it? No, you cannot do it, because in order to do it you need a factory or you need a scientist or someone which should be very brilliant in their work. It is possible, but a normal person can't do it. Same thing, it's possible to convert APK files to IPA, but for that you just need a specific team. You need an army of software engineers to do that. So yeah, it's possible, but it's tough for an average guy like us, and like the ones you might be someone who is brilliant in software. Yes, you can try. There are tons of websites, but for the average guys like me and the most of you guys watching this video, just don't. It's waste of time, and at the end, it's literally waste of time. Okay, so I hope I was able to save you some time, and I hope I was able to explain the reasons why the conversion is not possible. So yeah, if you liked my video, then you can like my video. If you disliked my video, and so you can simply dislike and comment something bad in my videos, and you can continue your rest of your life. Okay, so hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.